Hey guys! So this is a tutorial about your Google Classroom. Now each teacher's classroom may be organized slightly different, but for the most part, this is how your Google Classrooms will look. So when you open up Google Classroom, you will open up to this page and you will have a list of all of your classes. You should have a class for each subject, so science, math, ELA, whatever it is. So during the day, try to follow the schedule that we gave you and just go to each class according to your schedule. Now my 7th and 8th grade classes are set up exactly the same. So today I'm going to be using my 8th grade classroom, but if you are one of my 7th graders, I promise you it is exactly the same. So when you get to this page, whatever class you need to work on, you will just click on that one. Now I'm just going to switch over to my tutorial class because this is shown in student view. So you'll open up and you'll notice that you'll have right here at the top, you'll have your classroom name, and then you'll have stream, classwork, people, and then on the side right here with the 3 lines that kind of looks like a hamburger, this one will take you back to the page that I had previously showed you. It will show you all of your classes. So on the home page, you'll see that this is the stream. This is set up kind of like a Facebook feed. And on here you can tell, because I've already posted a few assignments, you can see that anytime I post an assignment, it says Davis posted a new assignment, and then it has the name. Now, I am going to be posting assignments daily. Each assignment will be posted and the date will be in front of it, so it'll be easy for you to know exactly what day you're supposed to be on. I need you guys to check your stream consistently because on here in the stream, I will be posting what your assignment is every day. I will also post announcements here and if there is a change in things. So please look at the stream every morning. If we go, as you know, we go by A and B day. So if it's an A day, I will post, it's an A day. This is what I want you to do today. Please check daily assignments. Or if you have a test, it'll say please check test. If we have a live Zoom, I'll make sure to put the Zoom link. If it's an A day and you usually have me on B day, then I will also post, it's an A day, make sure to go to history. I try to do that every day. Now, also on this page, you will see you have upcoming. So this is, if there is an assignment that's upcoming, it'll show up right here. So if you check this constantly, you can keep up on your work pretty well. Okay? Now also on the stream, you are also able to post. Now remember, this is something that all students can see and all teachers. So please only post things that have to do with class. If you think something was awesome and you want to share it, go ahead. If I see anything appropriate, I will instantly delete it as well as make a phone call home to your parents. So please only use this when necessary or school related. Also, when I post an assignment or if I post an announcement, you will be able to post a comment right here. So in this comment, under the post, you will be able to comment. So if I make an announcement and you have a question about it, you can type whatever question is. Now, in these comments, all students will be able to see it again. So please only post things that are appropriate. Again, if they're inappropriate, I will be deleting them and calling home. Now, if at the top again, here are your 3 buttons. If you click on classwork, my class is organized by topics. So as you can see right here, you have a sidebar to the left that has every single topic. This will be very useful as the year goes on because right now I can scroll through these pretty easily, but I only have 2 assignments and a few Zoom links. Over time, my daily assignments are going to get very packed and there's going to be a ton in there because they're daily and we have a lot of days to go this year. So as this starts to get overfilled, you might want to start using these. Please remember that when I post every morning in the stream, I will tell you where to find your assignment. So if we have just a regular assignment, I will tell you to go to daily assignments. If we have a test that day, I will say, hey, we have a test today. Please make sure you go to your test file, which is right here. Because we are on standard-based grading, I make sure that you guys always have a chance to redo your assignments. Sometimes they might be slightly different so that you can show me that you have mastered it. If for some reason you do a daily assignment and you get a 1 or a 2 on it and you are really upset about it, it's okay. Please don't freak out. I will let you redo them. All you have to do is a few steps that I will go over in our class procedures, which is usually you need to come to me and ask what went wrong. I always give you feedback, so please be sure to read your feedback, and then we will start the process of figuring out what went wrong and making sure that you can master your standard. Then I will tell you, okay, you can redo the assignment, and you will come here to this file, and that's where you will find it. Next, you have your Zoom links. This right here is where these links will be here all year. So if for some reason I forget to put in the stream the tutoring Zoom or a live Zoom, but I said, hey, we have a live Zoom, but I forgot to attach the link, just come here to Zoom links, click tutoring Zoom, and boom, there's the link right there. Or you can click live Zoom class, and boom, there's the link right there. So that's how that works. Now, also I have tutorials. In the tutorials, over time, as we start using more new things and everything, I will make tutorials so it makes it a little easier for you guys to go through things, as well as for your parents to be able to go through things with you. As you can see right now, I have the Google Classroom tutorial. Later on, there will be an Amplified tutorial, as well as a few other ones. And I will always let you know when there's a tutorial. These tutorials, just like the Zoom links, will be there all year. So if anytime you're lost and you feel like you remember me telling you how to do something, just click on the tutorials and rewatch them. So these are them. Over time, I may add a few more topics, just because sometimes, maybe we'll have an experiment and I feel like we've been doing so many experiments, we need a topic for it, but I'll always let you guys know if something gets added. All right. So how to use these? As you can see, right now it just has the title. Again, in your guys' classrooms, it will have the date along with the title. So all you have to do is click on it, and it'll give you a little description of it, and if there are any links attached to it, there will be links here. Now, this part is so important because last year we had a little bit of a struggle with it. When you are to do the assignment, you must click View Assignment right here at the bottom with the blue. When you click View Assignment, it will give you the full directions along with, if there are any links attached, you will have the links. When you click View Assignment, you can make a comment that everybody can see, or you can private comment me, and in that private comment, it will just be between me and you. So if you have a question about your grade, or you don't want the whole class to know that you're not understanding something, or you just want to tell me that you really enjoyed this assignment, you wish you could have more of them like that, this is where you can tell me. If you think it'll benefit everyone, maybe a video's not working, and you can tell me, hey, Mrs. Davis, the videos aren't working. That can tell everyone. That's something that everyone should know, so you can go ahead and tell everyone. But if it's private, that goes here. Now, for the very important parts, as you can see right here, it says your work assigned, add or create, and then mark as done. If it does not say assigned, you do not do it. Now, most of the time, if it's posted, it's going to be assigned. If there is something that you are doing and you need to attach it, this is where you do it. Say you made a YouTube video or a Flipgrid. This is where you are going to post it. You see right here, you can post something from your Google Drive. If it's a link, like a Flipgrid, you can post the link right here, a file, if you have a doc, a slide. This is where you attach anything for me to be able to see. Once you attach it, you click Mark as Done. Guys, this is the money button. If you do not click Mark as Done, it doesn't notify me that you did it. Last semester, we had a lot of students messaging me asking me why they got a 0 after they did all the work. And I was really upset because if you do the work, I want to make sure you guys get the grade. So you have to click mark as done. If you don't click it mark as done, I'm not going to get notified and I might miss your work. So it will ask you, do you need to attach anything to this? If you don't, you just click mark as done. Then you can see over here, it says you have submitted it. Now, say I send it back, I give you feedback in the private comments, and you get a low grade. And then you go through the process, you do everything I ask you to do so that you can actually learn the standard and you feel like you've mastered it and you want to redo the assignment. You come to me, I say, yep, go ahead, redo the assignment. You will click unsubmit. And then you can redo it, and then once you have redone it, you just click mark as done again. It notifies me that you resubmitted it, and then I can go ahead and redo your corrections. Hopefully I'm like, wow, you're awesome, you did a great job, and then you're done with that assignment. Now, if you are done and you want to go back, all you have to do is click the title of your class, and it will take you all the way back to your home room, your home screen. Now the third button is where you have people. Now, right now, as you can see, it's just me. You guys will have a whole list of all of the students here. The greatest part about being able to see everyone in your class is, one, you'll see, okay, Mrs. Davis, if you have a question or you just need to contact me for any reason, maybe something came at home, so you're going to be absent the next day, maybe you're going to be gone for a week, maybe you fell behind and you need a missing worksheet, this is where you can just click the little envelope and it will open up and you can email me. You'll see it'll pull it up right here, boom, and then you just click email. Now, also, you'll have a list of all of the other students here. Sometimes I'll explain something to you over and over and you still don't understand it. That's totally fine. Sometimes you just need someone, a peer who speaks your language, to explain it. So they will have little envelopes too. You can email them. Now again, these emails need to be school appropriate. If at any time an email is sent and it is not appropriate, phone calls home will be made and possibly further disciplines. So that's pretty much everything in Google Classroom. As you can see, there's other little things. You can copy links. If you click the assignment straight from the stream, it'll take you directly there. That's kind of nice. So if you see that I've posted a new assignment, you can click it in the stream and skip all the looking for and everything and just go straight to it. Now, I believe I have covered mostly everything. If you still have questions about anything in Google Classroom, please message me. I'll be happy to answer any questions from students or parents. And I hope that this is helpful, and I hope that we can have a solid year with as little confusion as possible. Hang in there, guys. I know that COVID is making learning a little more difficult. Bye!